Hello, my name is Sarah Atchison, and I am a parent here at Double Branch Elementary. I have created this flyer for our upcoming field day to help encourage our students and their families to come out and participate. In this video, I will explain why I believe my flyer is the best choice to capture the attention of the parents and guardians and get everyone involved out to our field day. I chose to use these colors that represent happiness and spring-related things because I feel like this event takes place outside and we want our families to come out and be encouraged to have a great time. I used yellow to represent joy, spring, and sunshine, green to represent the environment, spring, and youth, as this is an elementary school event, and I used orange to symbolize energy, cheer, and warmth because we want families to feel welcomed. We know our kids are happy, excited, and very energized about these activities. And finally, I chose blue because it shows calmness and is viewed as a cooler color, so it can give parents a sense of ease in having their families participate in this activity. Moving on to the lines, I used curved lines in the writing and the design as they are more playful and not so strict. Our field day is for children and their families, so I wanted to make this design more flexible and graceful with these lines to attract the viewers and help them feel at ease and secure. I also used thin lines in the outlining of my shapes because they are perceived as gentle and organized, and we like to appear organized in our event but also gentle with the kids. When discussing the rules for visual communication, Robin Landa said, "Thin stripes or lines are used for borders and for separating text, columns of text, or images. Most often, this rule functions best when it is used to separate as dividers, affecting or attracting little notice to them. Therefore, by using these thin lines, I am not attracting the family's eye to the borders of my shapes, as that is irrelevant, but to the information through the use of my other elements. By keeping the background of the flyer white, I am using contrast to draw the eye into the colors to ensure that they get all of the necessary information they need. I am also utilizing balance by leaving the central focal point empty and placing all the information above and below it, which is demonstrating asymmetrical balance in both the X and Y axes. Robin Landa says, "Cool colors are blue, green, and violet hues located approximately on the left half of the pigment color wheel. When a composition is based of a cool color palette, it feels synchronized and congruent. Often the resulting effect is calm and secure. I use these cool colors, blue and green, to balance the titles." Using these sensory elements of balance, contrast, line, and color, it's grabbing our viewers' attention and affecting the senses in a way that is appealing and memorable. By using balance and contrast, I have eliminated the other distractions, created visual appeal, and drawn the eye to the specific areas that will offer the information the viewers need to know. The curved lines cause ease and security for our viewers, while the color offers so much more. Colors can really shape our viewers' perceptions through three common methods. The objective method is how our parents will associate the colors and how they grab their attention. The comparison method is their instinctual comparison to the color of what they see versus something they know, like yellow and the sun. This is beneficial in my flyer due to associating my color choices with playful, happy, and childlike thoughts as we are focusing on the lives of the children and their families. The last method is subjective, which associates colors with experiences, memories, and feelings, like using orange for cheer or blue for calming. Using visual communication in these flyers is so important for our committee and our efforts to host a fun, safe, exciting, and memorable family-oriented event. Thank you for your time and consideration.